Stay sharp.
Copy that command.
Target locked. Mayday, we've been hit.
Alright, this one's done for. We're building a new one, so we can get back to playing. Welcome on the brick field. I'm Brickmeat, and this is the Black Hawk. Here's a quick shout out to today's sponsor, warbricks.com, one of the largest online shops for Cobi and other military brick brands in the US. What makes them special? They are not just big, they are family owned and run by people who genuinely love what they do. That means great service, fast shipping and real passion for building sets like Cobi, Sluban and even Rio bricks. Whether you are into tanks, aircraft, historical ships or more unusual builds, Warbricks has you covered. They stock a wide range, including hard-to-find sets, new releases, and even rare items that don't stay in stock for long. You'll find a link to warbricks.com down below, and using it helps support the channel too, so thank you. Now let's get back to the build. Bricks aren't going to click themselves.